Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, Fix Build Send. I'm sorry for not posting for a while. I had a tight schedule. So we just picked up a Cr85. Come over here. Before I start the build, rebuilding it, I'm gonna pressure wash it and get it all cleaned up. Let's get this done. Guys, so we're going to be removing all the plastics. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention this. This is a 2003 Cr85r and I'm rebuilding it for my brother. Basically the top pan already went out on him, so just have to change the piston and home the cylinder, and then I'll be just doing the basics, change the plastics, graphics, get new clutch and brake levers. Tires are still in great shape, so I'm not going to change those. And I'm going to be changing the air filter. So let's get this back to life. Alright guys, so what I like to do to keep my workplace organized, so what I like to do is plastic bolts. And I put all the bolts so I won't get a whole pile of bolts and I won't get confused what goes to what. Here we go. That's about it. Alright guys, so I'm going to be removing the gas tank. All it has is 2 8mm on the side. Remove the strap. About it. Let's go ahead and remove the exhaust. Get off the antifreeze. I'm not going to unscrew the 10 minutes, so I'm going to just take it off from the hose. Oh shoot, got some on the floor. That's alright. Let's go ahead and get this radiator hose off. And get off the radiator. Just the 8mm bolt. So let's go ahead and remove the air filter box, the subframe, plus screwdriver right here. And a 12mm for the subframe. About it. So now we're going to be pulling off this carburetor. Just a screw and cap. And plus screwdriver. About it. So right now we're going to be removing the engine mounts. There's 3 bolts, one right here, and one by the cylinder. Now we're going to be pulling off this bolt. Then we're going to be removing this last bolt. That's the last one. Got to unhook the electrical. About it. Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap for today's video. So I managed to take apart all the parts to rebuild the engine, all the plastics, and the exhaust. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you won't miss out on anything. See ya.